everybody, Francesco with Something About Santa Fe Realtors and Keller Williams, here to show you our new listing, another incredible property here in Santa Fe, New Mexico. This is 1190 Harrison Road, Unit 1, which is right behind me. It's an upstairs, downstairs unit, live and work. It is an incredible property, has a covered parking spot as well. One of the best we've seen in a long time. Come on in and take a look. And from the third entrance of the property and private courtyard area, I want to say thank you so much for joining us on this showing of 1190 Harrison Road, Unit 1, the upstairs, downstairs, live, work property here in Santa Fe, New Mexico. An incredible property that offers a lot of features. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, feel free to contact us for anything, 719-243-1845. Anytime, a text or a call. We look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day.